G'day guys, welcome to another video, and for this one I'm back in Laos and I'm about to get underway on a boat trip up this river to a waterfall area called Tad Sae, and I'm in the Luang Prabang district. Looks like a pretty good day, and very shortly we'll be heading up there. Okay, we're getting underway now. We're going to be heading up to Tad Sae Falls. I believe it's around about a 10-minute run on the boat, so looks like it's going to be a pretty interesting day. Okay, that was a fairly short run. It was actually less than 10 minutes, but we're at the boat landing now. This is the start of the hike up to the waterfall area. And here I am at Tad Sae Falls. There's a hiking trail which goes up to the multiple levels, and this is actually at the bottom end of it. Just about to get underway, heading up the hill there. It's got to be said that this is actually, well, maybe not quite as good as KUANG Si Falls. It's still certainly impressive. I guess it helps that I'm here in the rainy season. Obviously the water flow is a lot better. And I'm pushing on to the second level, or second waterfall area. As you can see, this section of the trail hasn't had much maintenance over the last, well, few months or maybe even years, which is pretty rough. Anyway, I'll push on and see where we end up. I'm heading up to what is apparently the second and third waterfalls, and by the look of the state of the trail, there's not that many people come up here. Okay, I'm at the second waterfall now at Tad Sae Falls, and it's pretty remote. There's not many people come up here, but it's quite spectacular. Beautiful scenery. Right, I'm pushing on to the third set of falls, and once again, doesn't look like anybody's been up here for quite some time. Overgrown track and quite a lack of maintenance. But we'll push on and see what we get. Okay, I'm back down on level 1 falls, and after a nice, well, not nice, but after a hot sweaty hike through the jungle, it's going to be bloody nice to jump in there and cool off.